Happy Liberation Day.
Premier David Eby welcoming the news that the U.S. Supreme Court has struck down some of Donald Trump's so-called Liberation Day tariffs. The court overturned the president's fentanyl-related duties on Canada, Mexico, and China.
While it doesn't address the challenges in our softwood sector, it certainly does potentially address some of the serious concerns we have about our relationship with the United States.
Disappointment from some in the softwood lumber sector that there's no reprieve from the combined 45% duties, which have led to layoffs and mill closures.
And there's still some long-term pain and for workers and uncertainty in this industry, and it seems to never end.
The decision does not impact the 50% tariffs on steel and aluminum products and the 25% tariffs on the auto industry. The owner of this Surrey-based steel fabrication company says he's shifted his business from 85% U.S. contracts to primarily Canadian customers. Kareem Walji, also the BC chair for the Canadian Institute of Steel Construction, says he's hoping for a reprieve through the renegotiations over the Canada-US-Mexico Agreement, or CUSMA.
The biggest win for our industry would be if we can get CUSMA or USMCA renegotiated and have these Section 232 tariffs eliminated for Canada.
This political science professor says the court ruling could take the wind out of Trump's sails when it comes to his trade bargaining position.
Of course, further retaliatory tariffs become less credible for Trump to use as a threat in future negotiations.
BC's premier says the court decision opens the door to a legal challenge to Trump's national security tariffs on softwood lumber. Katie DeRosa, CBC News, Victoria.